Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the WordPress backend. To begin, log into your WordPress site using your unique username and password. Once inside, you'll land on the dashboard, which acts as your central command center. On the left, you'll find the main navigation menu, offering quick access to all your site's features. Take a moment to explore this menu and familiarize yourself with its layout. Creating new content is straightforward. Navigate to posts or pages from the left menu and click Add New. You'll use the intuitive block editor to craft your content, adding text, images, and even videos with ease. Remember to organize your posts with categories and tags for better discoverability. Always save your work as a draft and preview it before publishing to ensure everything looks perfect. To personalize your site's look, head to the Appearance section. Here, you can browse and install new themes to completely transform your website's design in just a few clicks. The customizer allows you to fine-tune elements like colors, fonts, and layouts in real time, giving you immediate visual feedback. Don't forget to manage your widgets and menus to enhance navigation and user experience. Finally, let's look at essential settings and tools. Under Settings, you can configure your site's title, tagline, and how your URLs appear, known as permalinks. The Users section lets you manage who has access to your site and their specific roles. For extended functionality, explore the Plugins menu. With thousands of options, you can add almost any feature, from contact forms to advanced SEO tools, with just one click.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.